Hello, good morning. Well, not really. It's 1:15. My brother-in-law has a friend that works at like a bee farm, I want to say. And today we're gonna go visit. So I'm excited. I know Joe is like terrified of being stung, so like she's really anxious about it, but I'm really excited. Yeah, let's go.
If you have long socks on, you can put the socks over them.
Yeah, they get a little sweaty, but enjoy.
Nice. You don't get that.
One more over here.
The mosquito repellent, huh?
What can I say? I feel sick.
My shoes on.
Oh my god, there's a hole in mine.
Oh yeah. Holy cow. Wait, my hair is showing. And it's on my neck. Well, it's gonna tuck into the suit. Is it? Yeah. Your suit's gonna go over it. I can't get my hair. It's fine. I'm sweating. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Hello. Smoker.
So annoying when it breaks. You're just like,
Frame is always plastic. It's not wood.
yeah, sometimes we have wooden ones here too. This frame or this hive just only has plastic ones, but some of them have all wood in there.
Where's the queen at in there?
So I'm gonna go through and hopefully we can find her today.
Wow.
Oh, it's packed.
Look here.
Some different stuff. Yeah, see, it's full.
Ooh, it's
Yeah,
already
yeah.
blocked, yeah? It's
So you
ready
guys
to
see
pick
this,
it up.
this right here, this kind of lighter wax. So this is what we call brood. So this is actually where the baby bees are going to be born out of. So I'll show you guys here. It's a little bit hard to see, but on the edge of some of these, there's little white larvae in the bottom. You guys see that? So all bees are actually born as a tiny, tiny little egg, and it'll hatch into a small larva. During the last 2 weeks of their life, are they leaving the hive to go collect the pollen and the nectar? And that's really what ends up killing them, is just how hard they're working during that 2 weeks. They'll literally like work themselves to death. So this is what we call a queen cell. So you guys see this here. This is actually where the queen is born out of. So, you know, this is normal brood. That's where the workers are born out of. And this is, you know, where the queen is born out of. And the reason it's bigger is, one, because the queen is a little bit bigger, but also because they like fill it to the brim with this special substance called royal jelly. Yeah, have you guys heard of royal jelly before? Yeah, so the queen is actually born as a genetically identical egg to the worker bee. The only difference is her diet. So once she's born into that little larva, they'll basically just fill this little, you know, peanut-sized queen cell to the brim with royal jelly, and she'll just eat a bunch of that.
My goodness.
Yeah. So you can see she's bigger, but she's not that much bigger. She just has a little bit of a longer abdomen here.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to take another.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah, of course.
that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So you can see another queen cell, that like peanut-looking shape there. That's where she's born out of.
There's tree farm. We're going back to the car because I literally am gonna pass out. No! My beekeeper suit is falling apart. Alright, feeling lightheaded, it's hot. Feeling a little maybe claustrophobic and like getting really anxious because I keep feeling things crawling on me, but it's just my hair. So every time I'm like, oh, it's on me. It's literally just my hair. So it's fine. It was really cool to see all the bees.
I didn't hear any facts that he said because all I could think about was like, don't fucking
God. So hot. Must have water. The disco ball in the daytime?
Like lighter sparkling styles, it's good to drink it fresh.
Oh shit. Not for long though, so. Well, it can't be August 15. Oh, did you guys sample already? I was waiting to cheers everybody.
That's good.
It's good. Require another.
Oh, that would be good. That would be really good.
Do it. I just throw it right now. If I just did that. Imagine that. If I just threw it. Imagine that. I saw this skit where this guy's like, can you imagine that? He's like the imagine that guy. He's like, oh, you guys gotta meet my friend. And then he comes and then he's like, oh, I trip, I fall. Imagine that. And everyone starts laughing and this one girl's like, and he's like, imagine that? He's like, imagine I die on a knife and he stabbed me 3 times and I'm bleeding. Oh god, imagine that? And then everyone's laughing for the girl. And then the girl's like, so calls him up. What? Like, imagine that. It's so weird, blah blah. And he gets all sad and he walks. He's like, it's okay guys, I'm gonna leave. Then she's like, I trip. Imagine that. And he like turns around and he's like, and then she's like, I fall. And then he's like, you hit your head.
Just on a rampage right now.
I just told that whole thing. It's a really good skit. Anyways.
Oh my god.
Eat anything today? Did I eat something? I ate like a couple of bites of that.
Like half. Imagine that.
I ate kimchi Simon.
Imagine that.
Imagine I ate.
Imagine you ate it, you choke on a noodle, it's sticking out of your mouth. Imagine that.
Goat cheese, cracker, and apple.
Pretty subtle.
It's a food spread.
About to go?
Head's on a field trip there.
Oh, too.
Friend works there. I think she probably made the cheese.
Oh.
Tried pineapple.
Red pineapple, delicious. Yeah, or you can spit it out. Up to you.
Honeycomb. Alright.
Honeycomb taste test.
Kind.
Like the same like vibe.
Yeah.
The more I chew, I don't know if it's small. Kind of like
Well, it
gum.
comes out technically. If you save it enough, you can boil it and have your own beeswax. That's how you clean it.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Like if you collect everyone's
I
like.
think we have enough here too.
Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, I was like,
Java plum.
chop up them.
Very unique taste. You don't really
See on the ground next to streams.
The aroma too.
Very good.
Yeah, it
Whoa.
smells really, really nice.
That like woke me up.
Yeah.
That is definitely, yeah.
Your faces get more red over time. Mango lilikoi.
Lime and dragon fruit,
Dragon fruit?
I think. Dragon fruit is the last dragon fruit.
Cool.
They're really good. It's true, like out of they have Sprite, you'd be like a Sprite. Just fine sip.
Did your dad used to make?
That's the kind.
Have it like savory in it.
So this is what they were drinking 1600s.
So back in the day, yeah, this is
The real experience.
exactly.
My god.
Same.
Just got punched. Just got punched. Really just got punched.
God.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Pretty good.
You're more red than me. Try. Well, you can't see actually from this. Wow, the sun is helping you in this angle. I took a fat nap. Now we're here. Yummy.
Beef and cheese.
I spilled some sauce in my water. It's all good. But it's so good. Mopped.